Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with the SIM ejector tool at the back. And inside the lid, we have documentation like quick start guide and regional lock guide, which will give you information about the phone. Here we have Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel triple camera setup. Also, you can see Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks good in this color. Next, we have USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 25 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.